Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about diary entry. This topic is very important for you. A diary entry is a reflection of one's emotions, personality, and true feelings. It is generally written to free of oneself from the emotions that one does not usually share with others. A diary entry is for personal use and therefore involves the use of an informal tone. Dear children, this lesson is important for you. Generally, a diary entry, a question is asked in your board examination. Certain tips are there to write a good diary. First of all, write the day and date on the top left hand corner of the page with time on the right hand side. Never forget this. There is a diary in blue box. You can see it is written Monday 20 June 20,000. You can say 20 or 21, you whatever what is right. And on right side of the corner time has been written, that is 9 p.m. Second, writing style must be personal and intimate because you are writing your own experience. Pronouns like I and my frequently occur because it is a subjective writing. Yes, personal and intimate. The style must be personal. It should show that you have written your experience, for which you have to write I went to temple. My brother came with me. So such like of things you have to generally I and my are used. Third, some people begin by addressing the diary as a dear diary. That is irrelevant. Actually, this style came when Anne Frank used to do so because Annie was a lonesome girl. Perhaps you have read the Annie Frank's diary. Perhaps you have been taught about the Annie Frank's diary by Mahima Madam in your class during summer vacation. So generally Annie had written in her diary, dear diary. Was a lonesome girl. She wrote this because she was a lonesome girl and she had given her diary a name Kitty. Kitty. You need not write a salutation. No need. So don't write such kind of language. Always observe the word limit. Be careful about this for obtaining good marks. Always be careful about your words limit. Draw a box around your diary entry because it is a compulsory requirement in all short compositions. Yes. Whenever you write a notice or message, you draw a box. So, in the same way, you have to draw a box to write a diary. Now, there is a question as an example for you. You are Ranbir. It is the happiest moment of your life as you have scored an unbeaten century, which was also an eye opener for your critics. So, first of all, you write Monday, 20 June 20, and you have to fill the year 9M. This is the happiest evening of my life. My performance in today's match turned out to be a dream come true. I was very nervous when I took up my position at the wicket. I have been recognized batsman and a reliable opener for my school, but for some unknown reason, I could not score a single run in the last three matches. My critics expected the same debacle. My unbeaten century was an eye opener for my critics. I had scored it with 4 sixes and 10 fours. That silenced all my critics. All I remember is the affectionate pat I received from my principal, who said, "Well done, my boy. We are proud of you." And in the last, Ranbir has been written. You can see in question, you are Ranbir. So in the last, you have to put your name. I think you understand to write the diary. Next question. Geeta had a quarrel with her best friend Lata. Geeta was very sad. Geeta and Lata had been best of friends for the last 5 years. But on this day, Lata had insulted Geeta publicly. Geeta too lost her self control and it became an ugly scene. Geeta returned home feeling very sad, and at night she wrote in her diary. This is your question. Now the answer has been written in the box. You read yourself, and there are 8 questions. You can exercise them at your home. You should write these diaries in your notebook. If you have any problem, you can directly talk with me. Sorry, children, I had started to teach you a lesson in your supplementary reader. That was third lesson, but that lesson has been deleted from your syllabus, so I had stopped them, and I think you shall read seriously this diary entry. You shall learn soon. You should practice all these 8 questions. Thank you.